Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I have the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G with me, and I'm going to show you how you can make a screenshot on this phone. On many other phones you have different options to make a screenshot, like you can put 3 fingers on, you can swipe with the palm of your hand. On this phone we sadly only have one option, and this is to press the power on and off and the volume down button. This is probably the most common one or the most common procedure to make a screenshot, and then we can go to our gallery, and here we have our screenshot. We can now go ahead and press on that pencil, and then we can put a filter on top. We can adjust the brightness, the contrast, exposure, and we can also draw on it. We can put stickers on it and whatever else. So that's something you could do. Then you can say save, and then this is your screenshot now. So that's the only way to make a screenshot on the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.